Hey Pronunciation Nation, this is Paul Gruber, and in today's video we are going to look at heteronyms. A heteronym is when you have a word spelled a certain way, but it could be pronounced multiple ways and have multiple meanings. It can be very confusing. So let's go back to my studio and I'm going to share these with you. This word can be a verb and you pronounce it as tear. I call it the air vowel. You go up on the A, pull back on the R. Air. And the word is tear. Tear. It's when you pull things apart. Tear. You can also use the expression, I'm going to tear my hair out. Tear. The same spelling of the word is tear, meaning a tear down your face when you cry. It has that high E sound to an R. Tear, tear. I'm crying tears down my face. So we have either tear or tear. This next word is minute. Notice the first syllable is stressed. Minute, minute. Like I will see you in 5 minutes. Minute. Minute. This word is an adjective. It means really, really tiny. And the second syllable is stressed. Has the I sound and the U sound. Minute. There is a minute scratch on this painting. Minute. You can't see it. It's minute. This is a very common word, and it's a verb. It's 3 syllables. Separate. Notice it's a strong R, and it's the A sound. Shape it. A. Separate. Separate. And it means to pull things apart. Like, I will separate the paper. I will separate the paper. Separate. Now, it can also be an adjective, and it's pronounced completely different. It's now 2 syllables. Separate. 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 And that means things are not together. So these nuts are in separate bowls. These nuts are in separate bowls. Separate. Produce. This is a 2-syllable word and it's a verb. Notice the stress is on the second syllable. Produce. Produce. Like Apple will produce many iPhones. Produce. Or the country produces enough fruits and vegetables for everyone in the country. Produce. Now, the same spelling of that word, when you stress the first syllable, it's pronounced as produce, which is like fruits and vegetables that you would buy in the grocery store. The produce in my grocery store is beautiful. The store has beautiful produce. This word can be a noun, and it's stressed on the first syllable. Project. Project. I am working on my science project. It's a huge project. When the stress is on the second syllable, it's a verb. I project. Project. I project that this video is going to get at least 5,000 views. I hope. I hope. Now, did I miss any heteronyms? I think I did. If you know of any heteronyms, put them in the comments below, along with any questions that you may have. You know, I spend most of my time working one-on-one and face-to-face with clients over Skype who live all over the world. My goal is to teach people how to speak perfect English as if it were their first language. If you would like to work directly with me, click on the link below. You can sign up for my online video training course, and you can also schedule an appointment to work directly with me over Skype, and it would be my pleasure to help you. I know English could be a difficult language, but everyone here at Pronunciation Workshop wants to make it fun and easy for you, and our goal is for you to get amazing results. Okay, 1, 2, 3, click on that subscribe button. Click on the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And please give me a thumbs up, and that'll tell me if you like this video, so I'll make more videos just like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.